Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pristine Destinations Travel. Today, we're in Houston, Texas, exploring one of the city's most iconic and calming spots, the Gerald D. Hines Waterwall Park. Trust me, this place is stunning. As you walk up to it, you can already hear the water roaring. The water wall stands 64 feet tall and curves perfectly in a giant semicircle. It's basically Houston's giant outdoor shore, but way prettier. Look at this, thousands of gallons of water rushing down every minute. The sound is so relaxing, you could literally sit here for hours. People come here for photos, picnics, proposals, drone shots, you name it. And honestly, you can't take a bad picture here. Quick tips if you're visiting. Come early in the morning or around sunset. Best lighting. Parking can be limited, so plan ahead. And yes, you will get a little misted, so protect your camera. The park is surrounded by beautiful oak trees and the Uptown skyline. Even though it's right in the middle of the city, it somehow feels peaceful. It's the perfect spot to cool off, relax, or take a quick break from exploring Houston. Alright, that wraps up our mini vlog at Gerald D. Hines Waterwall Park here in Houston. If you're in the city, this is a must visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your favorite spot in Houston. See you in the next adventure.